Hi there. Another couple of Euro 2016 multi-pack sticker packs here. £3.75 each, so that works out slightly cheaper than buying 6 individual packs. So obviously worthwhile doing that. We'll quickly pop them open and have a look and see what we get. In the first pack we have Fabianski and Piszczek duo, Błaszczykowski, Dragovic and Prodal duo, Bonaventura and Nangalan and Witsel duo. In the second pack we have more duos. We've got Gluck and Pazdan, Casillas, Damas, Cech, and number 3 is obviously one of the logo cards for the set, which is pretty good. Logo stickers. Obviously we haven't got this one, so it's going to go nicely into the folder. Into the third pack. Haven't actually come across many shinies from this set so far, so fingers crossed we'll get a couple of those. We've got Rybus and Krychowiak, Eden Hazard, Hendrick, Parolo and Grigor. And into the next pack we've got Ozil, Piszczek, Long, Buffon and Chris Smalling. And then we've got, in the next pack we've got Muller, Alcatraz, then we have the Romania team badge, and then we've got Grigor and Kirikez and Berezutski. And in the final pack for the first multi-pack we've got Hubachan, Alaba, Zengin, Sushi and Glushakov. So yeah, we've got one shiny there and number 3, which is a good sticker to have. So moving on to the second pack, and we have Kovacic and Pekarik, Sommer and Lichtsteiner, Chester, Feditsky and Nikukuli. And then we have Florenzi and Verratti, Rodriguez, McGinn, Ignacevic and Berezutski and Grigor. Seems to have been, I don't know whether it's not bought too many of these packs, and I don't know whether it's a trend just from the multi-packs, but there's lots of the duos so far. Nikolic, Fabianski, Muller, Kombarov and Dragoev and Abrashi. And you've got Muller, Barami, Runt, Patricio and Cedric and Berg. A couple more packs to go. And we've got Milner, Glick, Richards, Carvalho and Pepe and Kache. And the final pack, hopefully we'll get a shiny in here. It's not looking too likely at the moment. Nemeth, Xhaka, Norwood, Skulason and Kallstrom. Yeah, so we've got slightly better cards in the first pack, I'd say, but obviously we've not been long collecting these sets, so there's still probably going to be a big proportion of those that we need. So yeah, we're going to do, I'll put these in a binder, and in a little while we'll do a binder up, oh not a binder update, an album update maybe list what swaps we need and what we've got, and hopefully we could do some trades. So please like, subscribe, share, and keep following.